And how much are you managing now?
About $13.5 billion.
And you managed more at one point before the Great Recession, so it came down as was the case with many companies. In fact, how much money did you actually go down to? How low did you go?
We got under $3 billion.
So do you think you maybe should fold up shop when you're under $3 billion after you having 20 or so billion?
No, not at all. We had learned, I think one of the lessons I learned from my father, and Melody Hobson, our president, agreed completely, was we should always keep money saved for a rainy day. And sure enough, we had a hurricane with the financial crisis. But we had saved enough capital in our company so that we can continue to pay our salaries and keep our key people in place during that tough period. And so that was really, really an important part of our approach. And then we bought our best stocks at really bargain prices during that period. And I think people like that we stuck to our guns and believed in what we were doing.
Now, some people say that it's impossible to beat the markets, and so therefore one should just buy index funds. In your case, you don't have index funds necessarily. You pick stocks. Why should somebody give money to a stock picker rather than just somebody who's just going to reflect whatever the S&P 500 is or whatever the index might be?
Well, I think that the reason to do that is there are talented money managers out there who can add value. And it's been proven over time that there are people who have that gift and that creativity and that vision to buy securities and outperform the markets. Now, it's hard to find them. They're few and far between, but I think it's worth the effort. And I think it's often I say it's like sports. You root for your local teams, even though you know that half the teams are going to lose and half the teams are going to win. Everyone can't be the world champion every year, but you still like to be engaged and involved in the competitive pursuit of trying to find a championship or support a champion. I think it's the same with money managers.